Hello out there in Time Bank land. This is Kathy Kilday, and I have a real quick note for you about announcements. You'll notice as you log into your home page, when that first things that you see in that top field is this announcement section. As it happens today, there's only one or two things. There really is only one thing there, but I want to try to eliminate some confusion about what an announcement really is. You're free to post an announcement, a request, or an offer in this section if you wish. However, if you choose to post it there as an announcement versus posting it as an offer or a request, I want you to know about a couple of things. For one thing, if you post a request there, you can't edit it. You can't go back and reactivate it or change the expiration date, or you can't even delete it. Once you post an announcement, it is up there until the end of that 2 weeks or longer or shorter period of time if you change that expiration date. But you have kind of lost the ability to change it. You have to email the admins in order to take it down or to make a change in there. So you kind of lost that control. It also has a limited lifespan. So the longest that you can post an announcement is within 2 weeks. So if you have a request or an offer that you'd like to be out there for a month or more, it really should be an offer or a request. So please feel free to use that announcement section if you feel you must, but understand that it comes with a couple of disadvantages. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to timebankcville@gmail.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks. Bye.